You have an account with O'Reilly and you've downloaded one or more Infinite Skills titles. Congratulations. I have one right here, Adobe Photoshop CC for photographers, and I am anxious to get started, so I just click right here. Now I can begin watching or downloading the videos right now. However, I do want the example code, the working files. So all you have to do is come right over here and click. To get the file, all you have to do is click on it over here. It will download the file to your computer, so be aware of what folder it's going to put it in. Based on how big the file is, it could take a minute, it could take several minutes, but eventually the file will be downloaded. Once you have the file downloaded, and some programs actually will unzip it for you automatically, but if you have it, all you have to do is double click. And in this case, here is my folder, and here are all my working files. I would recommend that you put them someplace that makes it easy for you to access them as you're going through the lessons. If you need the working files for any particular course, you're just a click away.